In this lesson, I will review splitting cookies as an example. This is not going to be the problem-solving prompt that you will be given. The one you're given is a little different with different numbers. I am going to just go through this quick example. We're going to start off with reading the problem. Angelina has 4 classmates that she wants to buy cookies for. She buys 15 different boxes of cookies. Each box has 25 cookies in it. If Angelina and her classmates get an equal amount of cookies, how many cookies will each person get? We're going to start off by underlining the question. Okay, from there, we need to figure out what our important information is. First off, we know that she has 15 different boxes and that she has 25 cookies in each box. We're going to go ahead and make those bold because they're important, and we're going to figure out how many cookies she has. So step 1, let's go ahead and hit tab 2 times. We'll put 25, hit tab 2 times, times 15. Okay, from here, we need to go ahead and multiply 5 by 5. That's 25. So we'll put our 5 here, and we're going to bring our 2 up here. Let's put a plus there. Ooh, okay. I'm also going to have to hit enter a few times and make a space there. So we have 5 times 5 is 25. Then we're going to do 5 times 2, that's 10, plus 2, that's 12. So we are going to have 125 here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cross this out. Go up to Format, Text, and Strike Through. Now we're going to look at the tens column, 1 times 5 and 1 times 2. Don't forget to start off with a 0 in your ones column. Okay, from here we have 1 times 5 is 5. Okay, and 1 times 2 is 2. Let's just line up those numbers. We'll put your underline there. And from here, we'll just add it up. 5, 7, and 3. So it looks like she has 375 cookies. Okay, from there, let's see how many people are sharing this. We have Angelina has 4 classmates, and our question here says Angelina and her classmates get an equal amount. So that would be 5 of them in total. So step 2, let's go ahead and set up our division. So we have 2 ways of doing this. One, you can do the break apart strategy. So we'll have 375 cookies. I need the division sign. Let's go and copy and paste it from up here. Divide it by 5 people. Alright, so I could probably break this into 300 divided by 5. Then I could probably do 70 divided by 5. And finally I could do 5 divided by 5. Okay, the reason this would work is because 300 plus 70 plus 5 equals 375. Alright, well, I know that 30 divided by 5 is 6, so 300 divided by 5 must be 60. We come over here to the 70. Let's see, if we count by 5s, that would be 14, I believe. Okay, and then 5 divided by 1 is, or 5 divided by 5 is 1. All we have to do is add up these numbers here. And you'll end up with 75. Okay, so that means that here we have 75. Let's label that 75 cookies. Each person will get 75 cookies. Okay, now under the student criteria, did we use an appropriate strategy? Yes. Got the correct answer? Yes. Labeled the answer correctly? Yes, we labeled it as cookies. Restated it in a sentence? Yes. Second strategy? No, not yet. Alright, let's go back up here to step 1. What we could do here is we could do the break apart strategy. We'll put step 1 check. Okay, so we had 25 times 15. Okay, we can go ahead and break up 25 since that's the bigger number. We can break that up into 20 and 15. Let me go ahead and turn off the underline there. So we can do 20 times 15 and 5 times 15. Okay, when it comes to 20 times 15, I know that 2 times 15 is 30, so 20 times 15 must be 300. Now, when we do 5 times 15, 5 times 5 is 25. We'll take this 2 and carry it over. 5 times 1 is 5, plus the 2 that we carried over is 75. So we have 300 plus 75, and that'll get us 375 cookies. Oh, I'm going to have to go ahead and turn off that underline again. Let's just highlight this and turn that off. Okay, so that's how we can check our work for that. Now, when it comes to step 2, for those of you who know how to long divide, this is how you can show long division on this paper. So we'll start off with 5. We'll do the open parenthesis, and then we'll put 375. I'm splitting the numbers. I'm putting a space between each number, maybe 2 spaces, just to make this a little easier to space out. Oh, okay. Now up here, I'm gonna save this portion here for my answers. Okay, coming down here. So I know that 3 divided by 5 is not going to work. So I'm just going to subtract 0. Let's go ahead and underline that. I'll put a 3 here. Okay, from there, let's bring down the 7. I know that 37 divided by 5 is not possible, but we can get close enough by dividing it by 7. Because 7 times 5 is 35, so down here I could subtract 35. Let's try that again. Put our subtraction sign there. There we go. Okay, underline that. Let's move that down a bit. Okay, 37 minus 35 is 2. Okay, from there, we'll just bring down the 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5, so we'll put a 5 up there. And we will go ahead and take away the 25 here. Let's try to make our numbers match. Underline that. And that equals 0. So we have no remainder. Up here where we have our answer, I'm going to go ahead and put a underline. So I just highlighted that section and click the underline button here. And there you see our long division is shown. Alright, so there's the sentence. Oh, I pushed the rubric all the way down. Let's close up this empty space. There's not much we can do about this extra rubric down there. We'll go ahead and answer yes, we have a second strategy for both our steps, and then we would say that our grade's going to be an A. So this is basically how you would do this kind of problem, and this is how you would show your work. Okay, I hope you do well. Good luck, everyone.